Hi, this is Camry from A Bunch of Barreras, and today I'm here in my living room working on my TV. My husband used this TV in his last soccer league season, and he used it as a scoreboard. So he covered up some of the features that he didn't want seen with tape and cardboard. So there's still adhesive on my TV, and it's a little disturbing to watch TV with that adhesive on there. So I'm just going to take a little time today and try and get that off. And what I am using is some 91% alcohol and paper towels. So if you would like to see how I get the adhesive off my TV, please just keep watching. Alrighty, so what I do is I take a bunch of paper towel and I soak it in the alcohol. And you don't want to press hard on your TV or it will damage it and it will have lines through it. So just very lightly rub the alcohol onto the TV. You might take a couple swipes since you have to do it very carefully. Can't put really some strong elbow grease in it, so it'll take a little work to get it off, but it will come off with the alcohol. Make sure that you're not pushing down on the TV and damaging your TV. You sure don't want to have worse lines on your TV than the adhesive. So just be careful and don't push down on it. Just rub very lightly across the TV. Okay, now since I explained it a little, I'm going to speed this up so you can just see how I go about this. Takes a while since you can't really push down. Just have to keep rubbing and rubbing. I wouldn't put any pressure, but if you are having trouble getting it off, then you can just use your finger to kind of scrape. But don't put any pressure, just use like a finger instead of the whole hand. I got it all off of there. So now my last step is going to be to get a new paper towel. Well, a couple of paper towels here. And wipe them down. And then I'm just going to give the whole TV a wipe down just so it's evenly cleaned. And I want to go back again. Just in an S motion, just to make sure that it is clean. Alright, we'll let that dry up and then I will show you the final product. Alright, so if you can tell, it is clean. There's no more adhesive on the screen. It is all cleaned up. And all I had to use was a roll of paper towels and some 91% alcohol. And I just got the alcohol at, I believe it was Dollar General. And the paper towels are just cheap paper towels. I didn't even have expensive paper towels today. So it doesn't take much to get all that yucky adhesive off of my TV. And now it's like new again. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on for you and just show you that it has no lines. There, it's got color. See, no lines through the screen and no more adhesive. It looks like a brand new TV. Yay! Now we don't have to watch the TV through adhesive anymore. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like videos like this, cleaning hacks and family related videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.